Hey Melissa, I'm so glad that you can make it out this morning before our meetings. Our new listing here at 451 Miller Avenue is settled inside the McLaughlin community in Oshawa, which is so beautiful. It has a lot of older homes. This home is about the most efficient home I think I've ever listed. They've peeled it right back, spray foamed the walls. It's amazing. The best part is move-in ready. They've put all the modern finishes to it with a nice blend of keeping that traditional century home
charm.
Yeah,
I love it.
Yeah, it is so exciting. I can't wait to show you.
I can't wait to see. Let's go.
Let's go check it out. So, what'd you think?
Lisa, this house is gorgeous. The pictures are going to bring people here, but this house speaks for itself.
I know, it's so exciting.